Good morning, kids. In last period, we have seen how to start WordPad and how to use spacebar key and backspace key. What is the use of backspace key? Today we will see the use of enter key, navigation keys that are arrow keys, and also numeric keypad. So let us start our WordPad. How to start WordPad? First upon click on start button. You will get such type of menu. If you are not getting WordPad option in this menu, then type over here WordPad, WORDPAD, WordPad. You will get that option. Click on that WordPad option. You will get such type of screen. Now, once again I will tell you the use of caps lock key. See, on our keyboard caps lock key is there. When we click on this caps lock key, we will get one light over here. When this light is on, that time whatever we are typing, that all letters come in capital letters. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay. Now, even in last session, in last period, we have seen the use of spacebar key. Why we are using this spacebar key? To give space between two letters or the two words. How to use this key? Let us see. Now see, I have typed. I will increase the font so you can see. See, A. Now I want to give space. Then I will press this space bar. Then what will happen? There will be space. Then press B. Then space bar C. Space D. Space E. Space F. Like this you have to use space bar. Now see, here light is on. Now I will off the light. Then again I will press the same button of caps lock. Then now whatever I am typing on my screen, it will come in small letters. See, A, space, B, space, C, space, D, space, E, space, F. Like this you have to use spacebar key and caps lock key. Now we will see enter key. This is our enter key. Here also we have one enter key and here also we have one enter key. This enter key is used for numeric keypad and this enter key is used for these alphabets. Okay. Now see, that one blinking line is there. That line is called as a cursor. With the help of that we are typing. Okay. Now I want this cursor down. Okay. If I want this cursor downside, then I will press enter key. I will press enter. Then see my cursor. Now my cursor is downside. Means when we want to move our cursor to the next line, that time we are using enter key. Okay. Now here whatever you want to type, you can type. See, now I will type Sunday, Monday. Okay. Sunday, SUNDAY, Sunday. Then again I will press enter key. My cursor will come down. Then I will type Monday. Okay. Then enter Tuesday. Okay. Like this you have to use enter key. Now one more thing is that are arrow keys. These arrow keys are also called as a navigation keys. Why we are using these arrow keys? See, there are 4 types of arrow keys. Left, right, up and down. Okay. So if we want to move our cursor left side, right side, up or down, we can use these arrow keys. Now see, I am using this up button. See, my cursor is moving upside. I am using left button, then my cursor is moving left side. Then if I want to use, if I press this downside button, then my cursor will come downside. If I press right button, then it will go to the right side. So to move our cursor in all four directions, that is right, left, up and down, we are using these arrow keys. Okay, see here, I am using the arrow keys and I am moving my cursor. Okay, like this, up and down, left and right, wherever you want to go, that you can move your cursor with the help of arrow keys. Okay, enter key is used to move our cursor to the next line, and arrow keys are used to move our cursor in left, right, up and down. Okay, now one more thing is that this is our numeric keypad. Okay, here numlock button is there. When this numlock button is on, that time you will get one light over here. When this light is on, that time only you can use this keypad. If this light is off, then you cannot use these buttons or these numbers. If you want to use these numbers, then you should start numlock. Now I will start the numlock button and see, whatever I am typing, it will display on the screen. Okay, again I will tell you, if this, now see, the numlock is off. Now whatever I am typing, it is not coming on the screen. Why? Because numlock is off. And again, when I will start this numlock, means what to do, like this, like same that we have done with caps lock key. See, again I will press that numlock and whatever I am typing, it will come on the screen. Okay, now see students, today what you have to do, in last session what you have done, that A to Z ABCD you have written, you have typed. Okay, now with the help of space bar only, you have to use, you have to type these alphabets, A, space B, space C, space D, like this. Okay, in each letter you have to give space. Now this is about caps lock key. First upon, you start your caps lock key and type all letters in capital. Then switch off your caps lock key and then type all letters in small. Okay, then afterwards, now this session or today we will type words. Then you can write Sunday, Monday, January, February, or your family member's name, whatever you want to type, you can type. Okay, but I want first letter capital and remaining all letters should be small. How to type that? See, start your caps lock button, then type your name. What is your name? Anita. A, that is capital. Now again I will close that caps lock button, then N-I-T-A. See, first letter is capital and remaining all letters are small. Like this you have to type. Use your caps lock key and start typing with first letter capital and then remaining all letters small. Now how to use this keypad, numeric keypad? You can type your mother mobile number, father mobile number, sister, brother, uncle, auntie, anybody's mobile number you can type with the help of this numeric keypad. Okay, today you have to do all these things. What you will do, you will use caps lock key, arrow keys, backspace key, and also practice the backspace key, and you will use numeric keypad and also use the space bar. This much, all these keys you have to practice. Okay, thank you.